Today we are in Michigan, specifically Frankenmuth, Michigan. We're up here visiting our family, and then from here we go down to St. Petersburg, Florida to do some one-on-one testing with the Tyvek 23 and the Tyvek 37. Occasionally you may run into this with a builder where they put the Tyvek right up against the back of the cavity that you're going to be doing the wall spray cellulose or fiberglass in. Don't be afraid of the Tyvek. Cellulose and the fiberglass will both stick to it as long as you're dealing with the standard dimensions of the wall. You know, if it's 24 inches on center and 4 inches deep, or 16 inches on center and 6 inches deep, you'll be fine using the wall spray against the Tyvek. We're at Bronners, which is the largest Christmas store in the world. Last week I was talking to one of my customers over the phone, and he mentioned that one of his practices is when he is out on a job site with his gasoline vacuum to do an extraction, he will turn his vacuum on for about 5 minutes and let it idle before he puts any kind of hoses or any material through the machine. And then at the end of the job, idle the machine down and then turn it off. If you're familiar with Frankenmuth, Michigan, you know Zenders, you know Bronners, and you also know the Bavarian Inn. When you think of insulation machines, you're looking for Insulation Machines itself, insulationmachines.net, or Barry Pendley. We use no other names. We put a lot of miles on this trailer. This is my dad's insulation trailer. In fact, I designed that logo for him, and I guess red, white, and blue is the colors I prefer for logos. I designed this logo back in the early 2000s, and you can see it's weather cracked already. Follow me back here. I'll show you what he's got in the trailer. When I broke away and started doing my own thing, my dad called up and said, "Hey, I need an insulation machine. These little guys are not getting it. I've got a big townhouse to do in Detroit." In fact, it was a series of townhouses. It was going to take them 3 months to insulate. So I said, "Oh, you need this." We got him a CM 2400 16-inch airlock back in 2011, and it's still going today. Look how new it is. The serial number is like in the 200s. I can see that I need to sell them a hose reel. They made themselves a nice little dense pack tube. We call these Fernco's. It's like a reducer. It goes on the outside. You use this to do the dense pack in the walls. It works out real well. This machine is in great condition. They got it 10 years ago and it was used then, so it's got a few years on it.
We are having a great week here in Michigan. We've been helping Barry's mom with a few things, but we are still available. So give us a call if you're in the field and you have any questions, or if you have any questions about the machines.
Search Insulation Machines to find us on YouTube.